Now, this summer will be massive for the Jamaica Lacrosse Association as they host the biggest event in the organization's history, the 2026 Pan American Men's Lacrosse Championship.
President of the Jamaica Lacrosse Association, Calbert Hutchinson, says the organization is well on its way to hosting a successful 2026 Pan American Men's Lacrosse Championship in just over 4 months' time. This premier tournament serves as the official qualifying event for the 2027 World Lacrosse Men's Championship in Japan. 10 teams have been confirmed so far, and they will be competing for 5 spots. Hutchinson said the JLA's successful bid for this championship had a lot to do with the hosting of the Parla Sixes Cup 3 years ago.
It is the first time, not just Jamaica, but the entire Caribbean, hosting an event of this significance where lacrosse is concerned. We tried it in 2023 with the regional event, that is the Parla Sixes Cup. We were very successful at that event, and that laid the foundation for us to, be successful with the bid for the World Cup qualifier.
The 8th ranked Jamaica will have to face teams like number 1 ranked United States, world number 2 Canada, and other nations from the Caribbean and Latin America. Hutchinson, however, believes being at home cannot be understated.
Well, there's always a homegrown advantage. Just playing in front of the energy that the Jamaican audience and spectators give will definitely impact the performance of the team in a positive way. It's going to be very challenging though, because we have the top teams in the world.
Hutchinson says they are still in the process of finalizing accommodation for the teams.
A senior men's team comprised of at least 28 players, inclusive of coaching staff. But I can tell you, even with Team USA, we have over 40 personnel, inclusive of players coming in. And that's just one team. We're looking over 500 athletes and coaches and officials coming, and that is just for the teams.
Based on the number of teams and support expected for the championship, Hutchinson is hoping for more sponsors to take advantage of the opportunity to come on board.
This is the most elite set of lacrosse athletes ever coming to Jamaica. So we're expecting anywhere between 50 to 60 million impressions on social media where these teams come into Jamaica concerned. So if you're talking about brand visibility for prospective sponsors, this is a perfect platform and opportunity for them to get their brand out there, not just in Jamaica, but in the Caribbean and in the rest of the world.
The tournament, which is set for August, will also serve as a qualifier for the World Lacrosse Men's Championship Division 2. The men's team has already qualified for the World Cup on 2 separate occasions. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.